Hello, my name is Danny Herrera-Verdejo. This is the GelTel roleplay number 2 for the Managed Project Integration Unit. Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. I know it's been a busy few weeks for all of us, so I really appreciate your time. I'll start by introducing myself. I'm Danny, the project manager for the Expo 2025 project. I'm looking after the overall delivery of GELIS's stand for the International Expo, including coordination, suppliers, and event logistics.
Thanks, Danny. Hi, everyone. My name's Nick. I'm the project manager for the GelTel telephony system project. I manage the rollout of GELIS's new company-wide telephony system, which includes system testing, software integration, and vendor coordination.
Thanks, Nick. And of course, we've got Alex here today. So you play both roles in both of our projects, don't you?
Hi all, so I'm Alex, I'm the project coordinator. I've been helping Danny with scheduling, reporting and stakeholder updates for the expo, and also assisting Nick with project tracking and documentation for GelTel. Hi everybody, I'm also the internal quality lead. I've been managing quality checks, process reviews, and ensuring both projects are keeping to GEOS's quality standards.
Thanks everyone. So the reason I've called this meeting today is to talk about a resource conflict that's come up now that both projects are in full swing. Alex, you have been juggling work across 2 projects as both the project coordinator and the project internal quality lead. And I do see that starting to cause a few delays and scheduling overlaps. So I'm sorry about that. I thought it'd be best to get all of us together to talk through it openly and come up with a fair plan that works for everyone and something that makes life a bit easier for you, Alex.
Good call, Danny. I have noticed that some of these overlaps too, especially when we've needed Alex for the GelTel testing phase, and he's already booked into the Expo meetings.
Yeah, exactly. So on the Expo side, we've had a few supplier updates and progress reports that came through a bit late. And I know it's not about effort, it's just that you are pulled in 2 different directions constantly.
Yeah, I've definitely been feeling the clash. I'm switching between Expo schedules and GelTel data tracking almost every hour some days, and it's hard to stay focused. Same here, I've been splitting time between reviewing Expo design documentation and GelTel system test results, and it's hard to give both projects full attention at the same time.
Yeah, I've noticed that as well. The GelTel testing phase has been very hands-on lately, and I know that's made it tricky for Alex to both manage the Expo tasks as well as the GelTel tasks.
Yeah, that's what I thought. It's clear we've got 2 high-priority projects happening side by side, and we just need to manage this a bit more smoothly so no one's overloaded. From the Expo perspective, the main impact is timing. So some of the supplier updates and weekly reports are running late. It's not major yet, but it could affect our overall schedule if it keeps going.
Yeah, and from the GelTel perspective, the main issue has been during testing and quality reviews. When Alex is tied up with the Expo work, it pushes our verification steps back, which then affects our system rollout schedules.
Yeah, so both projects are feeling the pinch. It's not about anyone doing anything wrong, it's more of just a resource balancing problem.
That's right, I'm trying to stay across everything, but it's tough keeping up with both sets of meetings, reports and deadlines. Yeah, I think it's just the timing. Both projects are peaking at once.
Yeah. All right. So let's throw around a few ideas. What do you think about splitting the week? Maybe, Alex, you can focus on Expo from Monday to Wednesday and then GelTel from Thursday to Friday. That way you've got dedicated time to finish one set of tasks before switching gears.
Yeah, I actually like that idea a lot. Thursdays and Fridays line up with GelTel's vendor check-ins and system testing, so that timing would really work for us.
That sounds great. Having clear blocks of time for each project would help me plan reports and keep track of everything without jumping between systems. Yeah, agreed. It would definitely help me deliver higher quality reports if I can focus on one project at a time instead of constantly switching.
Perfect. And to help keep it organized, I'll create a shared calendar that shows who's assigned to what on which days. That way both project teams can see the schedule clearly.
Yeah, that's a great plan. And if there are any critical issues that comes up unexpectedly on either side, we can jump in and communicate earlier, and just to make sure that the short-term swap is used if needed.
Yeah, perfect. All right, well, exactly. Communication is the key. So if anything changes, we'll just talk about it before making adjustments. Right, so just to confirm what we've agreed on today, Alex, you will be working Monday to Wednesday on the Expo project and then Thursday to Friday on GelTel project. Nick and I will stay in touch about any changes. We'll review how this new schedule is working in about 3 weeks to see if any adjusting is needed. Does everyone agree with that?
Yeah, that sounds like a fair and workable plan.
Yeah, it works for me. Thanks for finding a balance. Same here. This will definitely make things easier and more efficient.
Excellent. And before we wrap up, I just want to say I really appreciate both of you, Nick and Alex, for how hard you've been working across these projects. I know it has been easy managing 2 sets of deadlines, but you've both handled it really well. If at any point you start feeling stretched again, please come to me or another project manager straight away. We'll find a solution early so it doesn't get stressful.
Yeah, absolutely. You bring a lot of value to the projects, Alex, and we want to make sure that you're supported. So don't ever feel like you have to juggle all alone.
Yeah, that means a lot. Thanks, Nick. It's good to know we can talk about it openly. Yeah, I really appreciate the support. I think this new schedule will help a lot.
That's great to hear. And I'll send out a short email summary after this meeting just to confirm what we agreed on. Thanks again, both of you, for your time and teamwork. I really appreciate how flexible and understanding everyone's been.
Well, thanks for organising this, Danny. I know we've come up with a good plan here to move forward.
Yeah, perfect, no problem at all. So let's keep communicating and supporting each other. Thanks, everyone. We'll talk soon.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks, Danny. Thanks, Nick.